Hi, welcome to Jennifer APM online training video. This video is the second part of the Jennifer metrics explanation. Before continuing to watch this video, make sure you watch the first part of the video. In the first part video, we explained the active service metric, the TPS or transaction per second metric, and the response time metric. Now, let's continue to dig in more about the other metrics. The following metrics we will explain are the system and process CPU utilization metrics. The system CPU metric indicates the CPU usage of the entire system, while the process CPU metric indicates the CPU usage rate of a monitored process. The system CPU utilization metric is in the system CPU equalizer chart and system CPU utilization real-time line chart. The process CPU utilization metric is in the process CPU equalizer chart and the process CPU real-time line chart. Those charts can be found on the dashboard screens, such as the system admin resource, memory, and system resource. We can also choose the system and process CPU utilization metrics as the metric data selected in the user-defined dashboard screen. The next metric is related to memory. Jennifer collects the system memory usage and utilization, process memory usage and utilization, heap memory size, heap memory usage and utilization, and non-heap memory usage. Those metrics are in the system memory usage and system memory utilization real-time line chart, process memory usage and process memory utilization real-time line chart, heap memory in each area, heap memory usage real-time line chart, and non-heap memory usage real-time line chart. Those charts can be found on the dashboard screen, such as the system admin resource, memory, and system resource. We can also choose memory-related metrics as the metric data selected in the user-defined dashboard screen. The next metric is related to GC or garbage collector. The GC metric indicates the number of GCs generated. Jennifer also collects the time taken for GC in the GC time metric. The user can use this metric to judge the degree of the occurrence of GCs. The GC activity metric shows the proportion of time used for GC. This metric can grasp the degree of GC that affect the system. Jennifer doesn't collect GC for the PHP platform. Jennifer collects the GC metrics and shows it in the GC time in each area or GC time detail real-time point chart, GC time real-time point chart, GC activity, and hourly GC activity bar chart. Those charts can be found on the memory dashboard screen. We can also choose the GC metric as the metric data selected in the user-defined dashboard screen. The last metric for this video is the object pending finalization metric. It shows the number of objects that are waiting for the finalization call. It also shows the number of objects that is subject to GC. The object pending finalization metric is in the object pending finalizing count real-time point chart. The chart is on the memory dashboard screen. We can also choose the object pending finalization as the metric data selected in the user-defined dashboard screen. That's all the metrics for this video. We will continue the explanation for the other metrics in the next part. Don't forget to watch the next part video and keep a reminder about our upcoming videos. Thanks for learning with us. See you.